and put it in the stove. Take a small glass. We should take water and pour it. 3 glasses. Then we should on the stove. After it boils, we should put the Maggie. After making pieces, when you want spicy, you can take mirchi and onions. Me and my brother don't like onions and mirchi, that's why we are making plain noodles. After it came, we should put it in it. After it comes out, we should take balls and we should take the masala. Take the masala. We should take the masala and put it in it. Put it when it boils. First, we should mix it. After some time, we should take the masala. When we take the masala, we should pour it. After that, we should put it small. After that, we should mix it. When it boils, when we put masala, it will be like this. We should 1 minute or 2 minutes we should put it, and when it will be finished. Now my Maggie is ready. It's done. I love this masala noodles. It's finished. Yummy Maggie is finished. Please channel. Bye bye.